Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on YFI token. On a 7 days time frame chart after the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern, the price then pumped very well but got rejected by this long-term resistance line. That starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. That was previously working as a resistance line here. When we broke out this previous falling wedge pattern, we had a nice rally, but the price then was rejected by this resistance line here. And before that, it was rejected in the month of July 2022 when it was moving inside this previous long-term down channel and inside this smaller down channel as well. If I remove this trend line, then you can see that the price then was rejected by this resistance line here. And at the same time, it was also rejected by this downtrend and a long-term downtrend and resistance of this bigger down channel and the smaller down channel as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. You can see that right now it is once again re-enter the same channel. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. You can see that after the breakout from this channel, several times the price then is getting rejected by the resistance of this horizontal channel. And sometimes it is having long spikes beyond the resistance of the channel, but could not break out the next resistance line as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target sign and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of YFI token. And this is a 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line of YFI token is breaking out different bullish bias patterns. Like first it broke out the smaller down channel along with the big down channel, but the price line was rejected by the long-term resistance of $11,240. That was also working as a resistance of this horizontal channel as well. And again, we broke out another falling wedge pattern and the price then had a long spike up to this next long-term resistance line. That starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. It got rejected and again broke out another falling wedge pattern. By the way, before the formation of this wedge, in fact, when we found the resistance of this wedge, at that time it was again rejected by this horizontal resistance of this horizontal channel as well. And now after the breakout from this wedge, we had another very, very nice rally. The target that I've been telling you even before the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $11,240. That was the resistance of this horizontal channel. But this time, for a while, the price then broke out this long-term resistance of horizontal channel at $11,240, but got rejected by this long-term resistance line. That starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955 and re-enter the same channel as well. And now there is a probability that soon we may also test this long-term support of $8,000. This $8,000 has been recently working as a resistance here. And before that, this $8,000 has been working as a support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of YFI token. And if this time the price then starts another bullish reversal from here, then again, this previous resistance of $11,240 can work as a strong resistance for the price line of YFI token. And we now again need to break it out. Now, if the price then breaks out the resistance of this horizontal channel, then technical target for the breakout from this horizontal channel will be here, approximately at this long-term resistance of $25,000 that has been previously working as a resistance here, and for several months it has been working as a support here as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel, and so far the price line of YFI token could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel, and that target can be here at the top of the channel. It is somewhere between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.